Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to remove automatic message on Instagram. So you have to just open the Instagram on the Android device or iOS. The solution is for both. So you have to open just simply Instagram. So when it's open, you have to the go top right to the message icon, and you have to open the message icon, and there is the three dots of the top left, and there is the tool options, and there is welcome message. You have to click to the welcome message. So when it's open, so there is show welcome message. This message welcome people when they open a chat with you and goes away once they send you the first message. So you have to turn it off. Turn off welcome message will no longer appear is the tagging of the chat. So now this is how to remove automatic message on Instagram. So it's very simple and easy. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.